Hey Yarn Dolls, Mother's Day is coming up, and this year I decided to crochet not one, not two, but 7 handmade Mother's Day's gifts. So in today's video, I'm going to show you everything I made, the yarn I used, my favorite projects, and honestly, which one almost took me completely out, y'all. So, if you love cozy crochet vlogs, crochet inspiration, and handmade gift ideas, make sure you subscribe and let's get into the rest of these projects. Hey your dolls, welcome back to another page in Levy Beleza Crochet Diary, where we turn yarn into fashion. And this week is going to be so busy, okay? Sunday is Mother's Day, so we got 7 gifts to crochet. And then it is Teacher Appreciation Week, so we're going to crochet a gift for one special teacher. So let's grab your crochet hook, your yarn, and some snacks. Of course you need some water, and let's go crochet. So, yarn dolls, as I was saying before I keep getting really interrupted, because clearly I can't even finish this part of the video. But I was saying I have 7, as I heard in the beginning, 7 Mother's Day gifts to crochet. I have 3 down, 4 to go, and that is two shawls and 2 blankets. So the goal today is to get everything started. So I have this started, 1 shawl out of the 2, and then 1 blanket out of the 2 blankets. So I don't know, maybe I should just work on these 2 for the next 2 days, and then we can pick up the next one tomorrow or Wednesday. I'll see. But yeah, so crochet with me, y'all. Grab your hook and stuff, and let's get this stuff done. Now, this shawl is called a top-down shawl. The pattern is in a description. It is a free pattern from Yarnspirations. They use red heart yarn, and they tell you how much to use and everything in the link below. However, I did use Facets yarn by Loops and Thread. You can find that at Michael's. And I also grabbed 4 balls of that, and I used all 4 balls, probably except for a small little bit, but I used all 4 balls. I really did not like this yarn when I first got it because I made a dress with it. However, when you make shawls with this yarn, the color is just beautiful. The texture is amazing. And I used the same size hook that said in the pattern. If you want, you could just use.
Hey Yarn Dolls, so it is the next day. Happy Cinco de Mayo.
By Loops and Thread. I use Facets
I'm
by
tired,
Loops and
okay?
Thread, Urban Sky, and
I just went
Frost
to go take
for
my
the
son to
top-down
school.
shawls.
It's 8:06 in the
You see, I
morning.
was a little stressed out,
So
but you know,
this
I
is
had to get this stuff
finished,
done, y'all. So go ahead, finish watching me crochet up this
which means we
shawl,
have
and I'll
4
more than
gifts
likely be
crocheted.
back
Let
the
me show you.
next day because
1.
sometimes I just need a break. So I'll see y'all.
We have 2. We have 3. And we have 4. So, of course, last night I went ahead on and started 2 additional projects. So now all the rest of them are started. Let's get these finished by Friday. Let's go. Okay. Okay, dolls. So I told y'all I started this last night, and we are about 9 or 10 rows in. A total of 30 rows. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12 rows actually. So, yes, let's get to it. I just love the pink. Now, this is a prayer shawl. Again, on Yarnspirations. The pattern is linked below. Also a free pattern. And I use the exact yarn and amounts of yarn that's listed in the pattern below. And I also use the same size hook the pattern told me to use. I'm just sitting here thinking how, I don't know, for a lot of people, Mother's Day is amazing. For me, because I have wonderful children and a fantastic husband, he always make my Mother's Day great. But I don't really have like, I don't know how to explain. I don't know. I have a mom, but I'm not close. So for me, celebrating Mother's Day for my mom, even though I am making her a gift, it just feel like I'm out of place. I don't know. I do feel like I got imposter syndrome a little bit when it comes to family. I don't feel like I belong. I don't feel like nobody even like, I don't know. They don't. I don't know. I feel like nobody is normal. That's just how I can describe it. But anyways, let me get off that emotional rant because Mother's Day was definitely something else. But I do want to show y'all what I got done so far because I was not able to record this blanket on camera. I did record it live, so if you want to go back and see me do this video on this Lapghan, I did do this live, which is why I kind of forgot to record the actual video for it. So this one is for my aunt. She loved red, so I made her a blanket. And then I went ahead on and made my mom a green cardigan, which will be coming up next. And then that pink shawl that you've seen is for my grandma. So y'all can just take a look at everything, and I will be back to finish the project that almost took me clean out across through a yarn avalanche around. Okay, so stick around, see what else I did, and I'll be back to show you the craziness. So this one was really so fun to make, but it definitely had me in the chokehold. Okay, your girl almost lost this fight, and this right here is why. The tangling, everything got so tangled, mainly because I don't stop to detangle. I just keep flipping and keep flipping, and then it's just a hot tangled mess. So I had to deal with this for about a good 10 to 20 minutes before I can even start crocheting. So over the weekend, which was actual Mother's Day weekend, I went ahead on and I ordered this basic bobbins set, and then I ordered some extra large bobbins with it. This um, woman on Pinterest, her name is Amy Lords, and she created this, and I was like, lady, you are a genius, pure genius. So I had to order that instantly. When I went back on there today, dolls sold out completely, all of them. I was like, geez, I should have just picked up 4 of them and I would have been good. But I should be good with just the set that I have, and it should make things so much easier. I did not realize until I started doing the voiceover that you could barely see me crocheting Pooh Bear, but it is so beautiful, y'all. This is the first pattern that I made and crocheted. I do have a lot of stitch fiddle patterns in stitch fiddle, but I have not crocheted none of them fully yet. So this is the first one, yay me, that I actually crocheted. So that pattern will also be linked. It will be free. My goal here, I am going to try to give y'all all free patterns. If it do cost at any point, that's because I have to, more than likely. But the goal is to make sure that I can just give y'all these graphs and patterns for free. If you already know how to do tapestry, it will be quite easy for you to just follow the graph. Now, if you want to learn how to do tapestry, I will link my tutorials channel, which is called Crochet Tutorials in Review. I will link that channel for you so that you can learn how to do tapestry. I have a video up for that as soon as possible as well. Lately, my goals have just been get y'all as many videos as possible because y'all keep asking me about them, asking me about do I vlog, so I'm trying my best. It's hard to actually get the recording in time because it's always so much screaming in the house because of, y'all know, I got all of these children. So yeah, I have to do voiceovers sometimes through a lot of my videos. But dolls, go ahead, continue to watch me struggle. I was struggling a little bit, but it got better towards the end. The next blanket will definitely be single crochet. That was so but crazy. I forgot to come back. This one is for my favorite. Y'all know these mics like attention. So I forgot to come back the day after Mother's Day. So it is Tuesday now. But dolls, I really hope you all enjoyed the video. It's done. If you aren't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the Yarn Doll family because I am about to start posting daily videos. So don't miss out on those, as well as my daily lives, y'all, because y'all know I'm live every day. I'm changing the times every month. It's going to be a different time because I'm trying to see what's better for everybody. So in May, it will be evening lives. That's around anywhere from 6 p.m. and later. So that is when I will be doing my lives. But y'all, let me know what's your favorite gift. If you crochet a shawl, let me know if you could try those patterns down in the comments as well, y'all. Yes, it was so fun doing this. I can't wait for another challenge. Drop down in the comments as well what else type of challenge you think I should do. 7 gifts in like it was like maybe 15 to 20 days. I can't remember. Somewhere in between there. But y'all, I did it. We did it. So see y'all later. Bye. Subscribe.